Okay, so after we have removed the back cover, it's not time to upgrade the RAM, but before that, let me show you some of the components and where they are located. So first of all, the RAM is located under this cap, and then we got here the SSD 2, the M2 SSD 2, and that is the slot number 1, this is slot number 2, the battery. Okay, and this location is the CPU is located down here, and the GPU is located over here. All right, so a lot of people asking how you will how can you actually remove this plate, the cover plate? It's very easy to do that. I'm using again the iFixit opening tool. That's it, that you guys maybe saw it on a lot of my videos. So I'm using the opening tool. So that is the opening tool of iFixit. So what you have to do, just very simply, just place it here down, and you can see that the back plate is coming off on one side. And again, just go here carefully, and okay, there you go, the plate is removed. All right, so this laptop is coming actually with 16 GB, so there was no need for me to upgrade it. It was doing perfectly, but I'm doing some video editing stuff as well, so I was thinking, no, it's time to upgrade it to 32 GB. So you can see that that's actually two RAMs of 8 GB, so we got 8 here, 8 over here, which makes, of course, 16 GB. So let's, first of all, let's remove them. And again, what I will be using it for removing it carefully. I just lost the word. Again, I'm using another tool from the iFixit. It's a standard spreader, called standard spreader. So on the side, just press it, and the RAM is released. You put that RAM on side. Again, the second one, just press it over here, and the RAM is released. So let's take the RAM. All right, okay. So let me take the first stick. Okay. So. Oh, I am wrong. So just do not touch the gold part of it, or even do not touch the chips. Just simply press them here, from here, and you hear the click, and it is okay. And let's take the second one. Alright, so this one goes like that. Again, do not touch any gold part of it. Okay, and you can just press it over here or on the sides, or just simply you can just also press with that tool as well. There you go, we have completed the upgrade. And one more thing before we go, do not forget to put the back cover back on the place. Okay, so just one thing, when you're putting the back cover, you know, the RAM cover, make sure that it aligns over here with this one. Can you see it? So you need to align it with here, with the slots. So first of all, you just need to go from that side, and then just simply push it. It's done. Okay. Okay, as you can see, my fingerprint is here. So if you're upgrading for someone else, or you're doing for yourself, so make sure that you will clean up the fingerprints. So just take the cloth and gently wipe it. Okay, alright. Alright, let's see. Do not put any alcohol or anything else on the cloth when you cleaning it. Just simply with simple cloth you can just clean up. Alright, so as you can see, we are done and completed the upgrade. And if you got any question, you can just leave your comment below. I will then try to answer it. Okay, so as you can see, that this laptop is now upgraded to 32 GB. Okay, so when I started the laptop, it didn't give me any issue at all. So it means that all went well. Alright, so I will leave the link to the components and iFixit toolbox and iFixit open tool in description below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.